The clock strikes 3 a.m. and a searing, relentless pain seizes your leg, jolting you awake. That agonizing muscle cramp isn't just a minor annoyance, it's a silent thief, robbing seniors of precious sleep, mobility, and the simple joy of an active life. If you have been struggling with muscle stiffness that turns daily movement into a challenge, or if those dreaded nighttime spasms have you living in fear of the dark, then stop scrolling, because this is the one video you cannot afford to miss. For too long, you have relied on temporary fixes, but today, we are not just talking about relief. We are giving you the nutritional blueprint to permanently turn off the cramp switch. We are revealing the top 3 superfoods, easy to find, delicious to eat, that are scientifically proven to relax muscles, boost circulation, and keep your body strong and cramp-free. Thousands of people are already using these tips to reclaim their nights and their mobility. And if you skip this, you will be leaving the secret to a pain-free life on the table. Stick around, because these are the life-changing nutrition tips that will fundamentally change the way you age. Chapter 1. Eggs, the muscle and nerve powerhouse. Among the many nutrient-rich foods that support muscle health, the humble egg stands out as a genuine powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals, providing a crucial defense against leg cramps in older adults. The primary connection lies in protein, the building block of muscle, which is essential for repair and maintenance. Seniors often experience age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, which dramatically increases their susceptibility to painful cramps and overall weakness. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids needed by the body. A single large egg provides a significant 6 grams of high-quality protein, which works diligently to rebuild muscle fibers, reduce muscle fatigue, and ultimately enhance the efficiency of muscle contraction, directly lowering cramp frequency. Including eggs regularly in your diet is a simple, effective step towards supporting muscle strength and endurance, creating a robust shield against painful spasms. The hidden strength within an egg yolk is its rich vitamin D content, a crucial nutrient that supports calcium absorption and proper muscle function. Vitamin D is absolutely critical because without sufficient levels, muscles can develop weakness, increased cramping, and even chronic pain. Research consistently shows that seniors with a vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and more severe leg cramps. While sunlight remains the best source, many older adults spend less time outdoors, making dietary sources vital. Since the body uses calcium for muscle contraction, the vitamin D in eggs helps facilitate this process, ensuring that muscles contract and relax smoothly. By eating eggs, seniors can more easily maintain the optimal vitamin D levels necessary to reduce overall cramp risk. Furthermore, eggs contain vitamin B12, a direct player in maintaining healthy nerve function, which is critical since nerve impairment is a leading cause of muscle spasms and tingling. When B12 levels are low, nerve signals can become misfired, directly leading to muscle cramps. Eggs help protect nerve health by providing both B12 and choline, which work together to support nerve insulation, the myelin sheath, and improve communication between muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth and coordinated contraction and relaxation. Seniors are particularly vulnerable to B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid production and the use of common medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs, all of which limit B12 absorption. This makes eggs a truly senior-friendly, easily digestible source of B12, offering a simple way to help prevent cramp-inducing deficiencies. For those struggling with nocturnal, nighttime leg cramps, eggs offer a unique advantage. Since they provide protein for muscle repair, B12 for nerve protection, and vitamin D, calcium for muscle function, including eggs in an evening meal or at breakfast, can help balance these essential nutrients, supporting optimal overnight muscle recovery and reducing the frequency of painful nighttime episodes. Current research confirms that moderate egg consumption, around 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most healthy seniors and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels, making this an easy and highly beneficial dietary addition for overall muscle and nerve health. Chapter 2. Bananas, the essential electrolyte balancer. When discussing cramp prevention, the banana quickly takes center stage as the ultimate electrolyte balancer. primarily due to its incredible potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral for nerve signaling, muscle contractions, and maintaining fluid balance throughout the body. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition known as hypokalemia, muscles become hyperexcitable and much more prone to spasms and painful cramps. Bananas are one of nature's best sources, with one medium banana providing a significant 420 mg of potassium, which helps regulate muscle contractions and ensure smooth nerve communication. Seniors face a higher risk for potassium deficiency due to reduced appetite, poor dietary intake, or the side effects of common medications like diuretics used for blood pressure, making this accessible fruit a powerful daily defense. Beyond potassium, the banana is a double threat because it also contains magnesium, another crucial mineral essential for muscle relaxation. While potassium signals the muscle to contract, magnesium is needed to ensure it can efficiently let go, reducing muscle excitability and preventing sudden painful cramps. Each banana provides 32 milliliters of magnesium, which helps prevent muscle tightness and spasms. This powerful duo of potassium and magnesium directly addresses the electrolyte imbalances often linked to nocturnal leg cramps. By eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed, you can naturally relax the muscles and balance electrolytes, actively reducing the intensity and frequency of nighttime spasms and improving overall sleep quality. The benefits do not stop there, as bananas also contain vitamin B6, a key nutrient for nervous system health that helps regulate neurotransmitters that control muscle movements. Research shows that low levels of B6 can lead to increased muscle cramping due to nerve dysfunction and higher inflammation, making muscles more prone to stiffness. Because a single banana provides nearly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors, it helps prevent these nerve-related muscle issues. However, it is crucial to remember that while bananas replenish electrolytes, they must be paired with adequate water intake. If muscle cramps are primarily due to dehydration, drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily is just as important as consuming the potassium in the banana, ensuring that the necessary fluid and electrolyte balance is maintained for consistently smooth muscle function. For best results, 1 to 2 bananas per day is the ideal intake for most seniors, providing enough of these vital nutrients to support muscle health, though those with diabetes should pair them with fiber-rich foods to moderate natural sugar intake. Chapter 3. Nuts and Seeds, the anti-cramp powerhouse. While well-known foods like bananas grab the spotlight for cramp prevention, nuts and seeds represent an equally powerful, often understated dietary addition that can significantly improve muscle health and prevent cramping. They are densely packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, supporting muscle relaxation, circulation, and electrolyte balance. The primary anti-cramp strength of nuts and seeds lies in their incredibly high magnesium content. Many seniors do not get enough magnesium, making them highly susceptible to painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources. For instance, a 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds provides a staggering 40% of the daily magnesium requirement, almonds about 20%, and cashews about 19%. Eating a small handful daily is a simple, effective way to restore magnesium levels, keeping muscles relaxed, healthy, and less prone to seizing up. However, nuts and seeds offer more than just magnesium. They provide a comprehensive electrolyte and circulation boost. Pistachios, for example, offer a significant 219 milligrams of potassium per ounce, making them an excellent choice for restoring electrolytes lost through daily activity. Furthermore, the healthy fats found in nuts and seeds support robust blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds actively reduce muscle inflammation, while the monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve overall circulation. Poor circulation is a frequent cause of painful leg cramps, especially at night. By regularly consuming nuts, seniors can improve blood flow and ensure that muscles receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function properly. This combination of powerful anti-inflammatory compounds and circulatory support helps combat chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which leads to muscle fatigue and soreness, supporting long-term cramp-free muscle health. For the best results, seniors should consume a variety of nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds to benefit from the different muscle-supporting nutrients each offers. The recommended intake is a small handful, about 1 ounce per day. While highly nutritious, nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, making portion control important to prevent weight gain. To maximize the benefits and avoid potential downsides, it is essential to choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted varieties. High sodium content in salted nuts can contribute to dehydration, which paradoxically increases the risk of cramps. By incorporating this daily handful into meals, perhaps sprinkled on a salad or enjoyed before bed, seniors can effortlessly support muscle health, reduce cramp frequency, and maintain a balanced diet. We hope these insights on eggs, bananas, and nut seeds empower you to finally break free from muscle cramps and reclaim your best life. If you found this nutritional blueprint valuable, please let us know. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your questions or favorite tip, and of course, ensure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video with more health-boosting tips. Superfood 2, bananas, the fast-acting electrolyte regulator. If eggs build and repair, the second item on our list is your body's fast-acting electrical system regulator and circulation aid, the humble banana. Leg cramps are often a direct result of an electrolyte imbalance, particularly when potassium levels drop too low. This state, known as hypokalemia, makes muscles overly excitable and prone to sudden involuntary spasms. Bananas are arguably the most accessible natural source of potassium, with one medium banana supplying about 400 tenumbenmi, which is a significant portion of the recommended daily intake. By quickly replenishing this essential mineral, bananas help to regulate muscle contractions, ensure smooth nerve communication, and balance fluid levels, instantly fighting dehydration-related cramps. But the benefits don't stop with potassium. Bananas are also a good source of magnesium, another critical mineral that works in tandem for muscle relaxation. While potassium helps the muscle contract, magnesium helps it relax, reducing excitability and preventing that sudden painful tightening. This powerful dual electrolyte action is precisely why bananas are a favorite for fighting nocturnal leg cramps, those dreaded nighttime spasms often linked to low potassium and magnesium. Consuming 1 to 2 bananas an hour or two before bed can help balance electrolytes and support overnight muscle recovery, often reducing the intensity and frequency of nighttime cramps. Furthermore, the vitamin B6 in bananas is a key nutrient for nervous system health, helping to regulate the neurotransmitters that control muscle movement and aiding in reducing the inflammation that makes muscles stiff and sore. A banana essentially offers a comprehensive natural package for cramp prevention, balancing electrolytes, supporting nerve function, and providing anti-inflammatory B6. For the best results, remember that while bananas support hydration, they must be paired with adequate water intake. Seniors should strive to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily to maintain the fluid and electrolyte balance your muscles need to function smoothly and keep your muscles functioning at peak efficiency. While 1 banana daily is sufficient for most, those with frequent cramps may benefit from 2, consumed alongside fiber-rich foods if blood sugar is a concern. Superfood 3, nuts and seeds, the all-day muscle relaxers and circulation boosters. Our third and final cramp-busting superfood is a category that often gets overlooked: the powerful, versatile world of nuts and seeds. These tiny treasures are perhaps the easiest and most convenient way to ensure you're getting enough of the 2 most crucial cramp-fighting minerals, magnesium and potassium, all day long. Many seniors are chronically magnesium deficient, a factor that leads to persistent muscle tightness and painful cramps. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds, for instance, delivers a massive 40% of your daily magnesium needs, while almonds and cashews provide both high levels of magnesium and potassium, helping to restore electrolyte balance and keep your muscles relaxed and healthy. Since nuts and seeds are perfect for snacking, they offer an easy way to prevent these deficiencies without changing your routine. But nuts and seeds do much more than just provide minerals. They are rich in healthy fats that are essential for supporting blood flow and circulation. Poor circulation is a major yet often ignored culprit in painful leg cramps, especially those that strike at night, as it prevents muscles from getting the oxygen and nutrients they need. The omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in walnuts and flax seeds, along with the monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews, actively work to reduce muscle inflammation and improve blood flow throughout the body, significantly reducing your cramp risk, especially in your lower legs. This powerful anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting combination means that adding a small handful of nuts or a tablespoon of seeds to your meals is one of the best preventative steps you can take for long-term muscle health. Pistachios, for example, are a potassium king, while pumpkin seeds are a magnesium superstar. Simply aiming for a small 1-ounce handful of mixed, unsalted nuts daily, perhaps as an afternoon snack or after physical activity to replenish lost electrolytes, can dramatically improve your long-term muscle health, keeping your muscles recovered, relaxed, and cramp-free. By consuming a variety of these different nuts and seeds in moderation, you gain a spectrum of benefits, ensuring your muscles have the fuel and balance they need to function smoothly and without painful interruptions. If you incorporate these 3 superfoods, eggs, bananas, and a variety of nuts and seeds into your daily nutrition, you are giving your muscles the complete care package they need: repair protein, nerve protection, electrolyte balance, and superior circulation. Don't wait until the next painful cramp strikes. Start making these simple dietary additions today and reclaim the comfort, strength, and restful sleep you deserve.